Look, I just made a video of how we can stop Russian propaganda in the middle of this war between the Ukraine and Russia using browsers and JavaScript. I'll put a link up here if that's more your jam. But if you're a developer and a software engineer and you know Docker, I would love to show you another way you can do that. It's using an open source Golang tool called Bombardier or Bombardier, depending on how you say it. And it's used for load testing. Let's load test misinformation and cancel it. If you look over here, this is the GitHub repo, and what we have is Bombardier with some stuff, and essentially you run a command with some flags to hit a certain URL, and we can do that using Docker. So if I do Docker run with a terminal, like integrated terminal, and what I'll do is alpine/bombardier. And what I'll do is, how many concurrent connections is -c? I want like one. I'm just doing a small one. One concurrent connection for duration of, let's say, 10 seconds, and the location is my website, or just tage.as, right? And what this will do is it'll like bombard my website for 10 seconds using one connection. This is literally hitting it a lot. So now what we can do, and you get some statistics. We don't care about this because we're trying to literally break it, right? So if we go to that Stop Russian Disinformation page, we have links to all of the propaganda pages, and we can take the ones that maybe appear to even be immune to these attacks. Maybe this one, Interfax, for example, and we can slam it to hell. Okay, so what I'll do is run that same command, but we'll call it interfax.ru, and instead of one concurrent connection, why not? And instead of 30 seconds, we could do it for an entire day, or maybe a week or month, it doesn't matter. So now I'm running this thing. Yeah, and I'm using 1,000 concurrent connections to just obliterate this website. You can parallelize this. You can do things on AWS, Kubernetes, whatever. If you're a developer who with the domain knowledge, you can actually make a big difference this way as well to stop the spread of misinformation. Just a small short here on how you can do that. With that, really, I'm trying to pull out all the stops to help in any way I can, and this is probably the way I know best. So if you find this inspiring, feel free to share it. Really anything to stand with Ukraine at this time. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.